All right, good morning, everybody. So I want to show you today how to use these little squeezy bottles of underglazes. So this one happens to be black, but you can always check the test tile using the number that's written on here to see what it is. Make sure you do not lose this little needle, okay? This little needle is really important. It helps you if it gets clogged to unclog it, and it also keeps it from drying out. So when you take this needle out to go start doing, the underglaze bit, it's really important that you don't lose it, okay? So before you start, make sure you check and make sure it's free flowing. So I would do it on a piece of paper instead of perhaps, maybe not the table, but you wanna check that make sure that it's free flowing. If it's not, if it's sputtering a whole bunch, then you wanna put the needle in there and kind of roll it around. You can pull this little metal bit off, poke it from the back side, poke the needle into the plastic part. But you wanna make sure that it's gonna flow good. Now, when you actually go to add your design on here, so a couple things, you could draw it out in pencil first and see, what it looks like. And make sure it's something that you want first. But once you've decided what you want it to look like, you're just gonna squeeze and pull the line along, and you're just squeezing out a little bit of underglaze onto there. So like I said, if you do decide to do the pencil lines, that's totally fine. It'll burn out in the kiln, but the underglaze will not burn out in the kiln. So you could do dots, you can do lines, you can do swirls. There's all kinds of different things, because as long as the glaze is flowing well, you can do all kinds of, flowy designs or stiff designs, whatever you want to do. So be creative and have fun with that. Thanks, everybody.